So this is a video explaining how to bake a terrain height map in Blender for use in game development. So start with a plane, scale it so that it's has working space. Then we're going to say select all, edge, subdivide a bunch of times. Okay, now go to shader, add a new material slot. We're going to name it train bake. Get rid of BSDF. Add input geometry. Add converter, separate XYZ. Connect. And then add shader, diffuse, BSDF. And so this is the most simple connections. So now go over here to this camera node, change it from EV to cycles, go down to bake, say diffuse, disable lighting. Now add a texture, image texture, new train bake, generate. You have to initialize it, so color grid, no alpha. Now we can go bake. Now in image editor, train bake. So to modify the train, we go to sculpt mode and put some height in there. Go to bake again. You can see it as height. Now we want the train to the height map to have values between 0 and 1 rather than just a straight z value. So we pass it through sigmoid function. To write sigmoid function, we go to math. We say subtract. So we go negative z, add more math, say power base of e, which is 2.7. Let's see what e is. .718. Okay, and then connects this to the exponent. So it's e raised to z, negative z. And go add another math function. Add 1. Final math function. Divide. Connect. So this is the setup for sigmoid. Oh wait, yeah. So now in the actual geometry, we want it to have a sigmoid domain of like -6 to +6, for a total height on the train of 12. So go over to your cursor, find 12 on Z, then scale your image. Okay, so now it's got a height of 12. Go back to the shader, add another math function, subtract 6. Bake. And we have the normal 0 to 1 height map for the train. That is the end of this tutorial.